Hey, how's it going? This is Charles from AllCoastLawncare. Hey, so today I'm gonna apply some lawn on my yard. So last week, I made 3 videos about dethatching the yard, then aerating it, and then applying some Sunniland fertilizer. It's been a week. I don't got patience, y'all. So I was hoping my grass was gonna like just start growing big time. You know what I mean? But we had some rain, but I'm like, what's going on here? Because there's a green patch over here. Let me show you.
AllCoastLawncare.
All right, see, I got this growing over here, and I got all this right here growing. Okay, look at that. That's full. It's like it's growing over here. Got a couple of weeds right there. Like over there, it's not growing. So all this right, I got like a little spot right here with this grass growing. So I got that bald spot over there, you can see. So what I did, I bought this right here at Home Depot, this Luster Leaf Rapid Test to test the pH. Look, it's supposed to be between 6 and 7. So right now it's less than 6, so it needs lime, the pH is low. We're gonna apply some from Sta-Green Fast-Acting-Lime Enhanced Calcitic Lime. All right, how to apply? Right there, y'all. Okay, this covers 5,000 square feet. The area we're gonna cover from there to the other side of the house, it's 9,200 square feet. So right here, this is water's optional. We're gonna get a little bit of rain coming in like prior to today, so that's good. And then enjoy our lawn. All right, people and pets can enjoy the lawn immediately after application. So just in case you got pets, there you go. 32% calcium. It's gonna cover 10,000 square feet. 50 pounds right there, y'all. So let's go and do this. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go and load these bags inside the spreader, and I'm gonna go ahead and set it at level. We'll shoot for level 6 for right now. Okay, this should cover this whole area, 10,000 square feet. All right, I'll do this area first to see where I'm at with the spreader. If I think I'm playing it on too fast, I'll just adjust the lever to like a 4 or 5. All right, so here we go. I adjust the settings to level 4. I went from 7 to 4 because you can see like that's how much I got right now. And I still got to cover that whole area right over there. All right, and I just covered like right here, right before the lawn, or right here. Now I got to cover over there. so much we got left. So I'm gonna go over this whole little area right here where it's like needs it the most. Alright, hope this video was helpful to you or entertaining. Let's see what happens in a week, alright? So we should be getting some rain today, a little bit of rain tomorrow, and the next couple of days. Not hard rain though, but like slight rain. So hey, let's see what this lime will do. Let's see if in a week I'll do that same test, or I'll put it in the ground to see if the pH went up. Alright, so hey, just stay tuned, okay, for the next video. And other than that, please like. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. I'm just an ordinary guy. I'm not like video savvy, you know what I'm saying? So this is just me, okay? Sorry if I'm not that entertaining, but hey, if you like this video, please hit like. Other than that, see you on the next video. Bye.